Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be decorating my entryway table for the holidays. So you can see here we're using last year mantle garland, why not, and upcycling some decor. So if you guys want to see how my entryway table turned out, then keep on watching this video. So this garland I used last year, and here we have a flat garland, and then I attach another garland, which is the ornament garland that you see there. And here I'm just gonna start playing with it because I honestly didn't even know what I was gonna do with this here. And then I decided to just style it if I was styling the mantle. So I let the garland kind of hang longer on one side like I did last year on my mantle, and then I started like fluffing it and making it look right for the space. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Now to secure the garland, I'm using what else but command hooks, you guys. That's what I use all the time. I get so many questions over on Instagram, and honestly, this is my little secret. I put command hooks and that's it. They're easy to remove and don't damage your furniture. So now I'm adding my sea gallery canisters here to display them because these pieces are so beautiful, and honestly the good thing about them is that you could use them year-round. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. When I was done adding the sea gallery canister, I decided to add this beautiful LED acrylic Christmas tree that I got like last year at Home Goods for $24.99. And of course my acrylic deers, because you guys know I love them and I couldn't leave them out this year. Until the sun comes up, these are the good times with you. Little backstand at my local Dollar Tree, but I only found 2 of them, unfortunately, but they work and they look like snow, you guys. I thought, why not pour some of that into these canisters. Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about. Know this year I'm doing white, gold, and silver, like metallics and the whites and the neutrals. So to add a little pop of that into this area, I decided to add this really pretty Christmas tree that are actually an ornament, but hey, I'm putting them here. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Then I'm adding this gold flower to give it an even more pop of gold in the area, and I honestly like how they're looking. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year. Finished the look, I added this candle holders that I picked up at the Target Dollars pad, and then of course my gray ottomans from Wayfair that I love so much. Here it is, you guys. This is how my entryway table turned out. I'm impressed myself. I think it looks very festive, very beautiful at the same time. Honestly, you guys, #1 tip is to always shop your home. You will be surprised when you move decor from another room and another location. It gives it a whole different vibe, a whole different look. Like here, remember that garland on the mantle? Look how it looks over here. Sometimes shopping our home, it's the best thing we could do and save some money. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to decorate this holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you all on my next video. God bless. Merry Christmas.